Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix iPhone speaker sound too low problem. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this you can simply restart your device and check the problem is there or not. If you are not going to do this, then you can simply try this method of tapping on your settings. Once you tap on your settings, you can find an option called sounds and haptics. So simply tap on that particular option and you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So to now fix this problem of your speaker sound being too low, simply turn the switch of your slider to the right hand side. This means that you are putting the sound to the maximum volume possible, which will allow you to simply get sound to be much more louder on your iPhone device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching and we will be back again soon.